I'm going to steep half of a cinnamon stick and a star anise with 3/4 cups of boiling water, okay? We're gonna let that steep for at least 5 minutes. This latte is made with matcha, and matcha is powdered green tea. The way they do it is farmers cover the leaves for 20 to 30 days from the sun, and so they accumulate more chlorophyll. Matcha has more antioxidants and more caffeine than green tea. Once the process is done, they take out all the veins and then they powder it into a fine powder. It is extremely good for your health. I will put all of the benefits right here, as I always do. But you want an antioxidant tea or even smoothie, matcha is perfect for that. So I put a teaspoon of that powder in this little glass. We need to whisk this or it'll be lumpy. So I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you want, okay? I don't sweeten my drinks, but if you want to, you can sweeten this with honey or stevia or whatever you want to enjoy it. All right, this is nice and steeped. If you want it to be hotter, go ahead and heat it in a little pot, or you can just pour this over ice as well. To our health. Very, very nice. Another thing that matcha will do is protect your liver. It will, obviously, with so many antioxidants, protects your cells, your heart, your brain, but it also can help you lose weight and burn fat. So that's a great thing. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.